Hello beautiful people and welcome back to Life of a Dreamer. My name is Darian Wright. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. So today's video is going to be super short, sweet, and to the point because anybody watching this video, I know y'all want to get on your skates and roll out. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to protect your skates today so that they last longer and you can roll for as long as you want. So y'all stay tuned if y'all want to find out how to protect your skates. So I finally got my skates after all this time and I just want to get rolling, but there's a little checklist of things I want to do before I get rolling on my skates just to make sure that they last and they stay in good condition because y'all, these skates were not cheap. So I'm going to show you how to protect your boot because my skates, not all skates, but my skates are a suede boot and I want them to look nice and be water repellent and be clean for as long as they can. So I'm going to show you guys how to protect your boot, and all you're going to need is your skate and some Scotch guard. So first things first, I covered up my wheels with the plastic bag just because those didn't necessarily need to be protected since they're going to be changed in and out. This Scotch guard is a heavy duty water shield Scotch guard. I got it from Walmart for under $6. I wanted to get the actual suede protection Scotch guard, but my Walmart didn't have it. And that worked out perfectly because this heavy duty water shield says it is the ultimate protection against the elements, which my skates are going to be in the elements, so that's perfect. It's perfect for different materials as well, including leather and suede, which is great. The process is pretty self-explanatory. You're just going to spray your boot down. I'm spraying the tongue as well as the inside. You want to make sure to do this in a ventilated area and let your boots dry completely 100% before you skate on them. So that is it, you guys. Super short, sweet, and to the point. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope it helped you out in some way. I'm starting my skate journey and I'm so excited because the weather is warming up. It's looking good out there. I can't wait to get rolling. I have so many more skate videos coming for you guys. But for now, I have a DIY toe cap or toe covering video so that you guys can add a little bit more style to your skates, DIY it for a few bucks, and also protect your skates even more. So I have that linked above and below for you guys to check that out. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video today. If you guys like what you saw, don't forget to subscribe down below and hit that bell to get notified every time I post a new video. Don't forget to thumbs up this video and share for anybody who you think needs it. It really helps out the channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. Don't forget to follow me on my social media and stay tuned for the next time. Bye.